Oh, leave my tree alone.
Oh no.
He's
Oh
gonna
no.
scratch himself against the tree, I bet. Yep. Yeah.
Oh my
Look at that.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Look at him. He's had a bun to eat,
Uh-huh.
a bite to eat,
Now he's going to fall asleep.
and now he's getting ready to sleep. Do you see him laying down eating the seed?
Yeah.
Now he like is rubbing off all the. Ah, I think I'll go back for a nap. Oh boy, had a long day. Rape and pillaging.
We gotta move.
Oh, let's see what else can I destroy. Oh, let's see. Maybe I'll go back for another scratch. That did feel pretty good. Yep. See, look. Oh, that did feel. I like this tree. I think I'll keep it myself.
And that's it. It's time to move.
Oh, ooh, that feels good. Mmm. Those damn itches I have.
How many
Oh,
ticks do you think he has?
I don't know. Oh, that feels better. I'm not ready for a nap yet. I don't know. Does anyone have any coffee?
Bacon?
Okay, guess it's time to go back. I'll be back.
Well, what if he lives here permanently? In our yard.